Hi everyone, I'm Donna. My student ID is s1489282. Today I'm going to do the presentation on second assignment in BIT353 Network Architecture and Protocols. Our lecture is John Ranking and today is 1st of June 2021. And for this assignment, we need to take a selected case study for company and need to develop a futurist network for this company using the main technologies like big data, Internet of Things, and cloud. Here we have to accomplish three main tasks. First, we need to discuss the three main concepts: big data, Internet of Things, and cloud services. Secondly, we need to implement these three concepts which suit for a business network. And finally, we need to demonstrate three of the laboratories. Mm. So let's go to the first task. Yeah. Uh, so what is big data? Big data is a collection of data that is huge in volume, yet growing exponentially with time. It is data with so large size and complexity that none of traditional data management tools can store it or process it efficiently. Big data is also a data but with huge size. Let us now explore the reason why big data is important for business. Big data initiatives were rated as extremely important to 93% of the companies. Leveraging a big data analytics solution helps organizations to unlock the strategic values and take full advantages of their assets. Companies are using big data to know what their customers want, who are their best customers, and why people choose different products. The more a company know about its customers, the more competitive it grows. We can use it with machine learning for creating market strategies based on predictions about customers. An ability to process big data brings in multiple benefits like business can utilize outside intelligence while taking decisions, access to social data from search engines like Facebook, Twitter, and they are enabling organizations to fine tune their business strategies and the early identification of risk to the product services, if any, and better operational efficiency. Let's move to the second concept, Internet of Things or IoT, which refers to the billion of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the internet, all collecting and sharing data. Thanks to the arrival of super cheap computer chips and the ubiquity of wireless networks, it's possible to turn anything from something as small as a pill to something as big as an aeroplane into part of the IoT. Connecting up all of these different objects and adding sensors to them adds a level of digital intelligence to devices that would be otherwise dumb, enabling them to communicate real-time data without involving a human being. The Internet of Things is making the fabric of the world around us more smarter and more responsive, merging the digital and physical universe. So why Internet of Things need for business? The benefits of the IoT for business depend on a particular implementation. Agility and efficiency are usually top considerations. So manufacturers are adding sensors to the components of their products so that they can transmit data back about how they're performing. This can help companies spot when a component is likely to fail and so they can swap it out before it causes any damage. Companies can also use the data generated by these sensors to make their systems, their supply chains more efficient because they will have much more accurate data about what's really going on. And let's move to the third concept, cloud services. The term cloud services refer to a wide range of services delivered on demand to companies and customers over the internet. These services are designed to provide easy, affordable access to applications and resources without the need for internal infrastructure or hardware. From checking email to collaborating on documents, most employees use cloud services through the workday, whether they are aware of it or not. So, why cloud services are essential for business? The ability to scale, lowered cost, increased flexibility, automatic software updates, and environmental friendly. So the ability to scale, because the cloud service provider supplies all necessary infrastructure and software, there is no need for company to invest its in on resources or allocate extra IT staff to manage the service. So this in turn make it easy for the business to scale the solution as user needs change. When consider the lowered cost, many cloud services are provided on monthly or annual subscription basis, so eliminating the need to pay for on-premises software license. This allows organization to access software, storage, and other services without having to invest in the underlying infrastructure or handle maintenance or upgrades. So, when consider the increased flexibility, with cloud services, companies can produce services on an on-demand as needed basis. If and when there is no longer need for particular application or platform, the business can simply cancel the subscription or shut down the service. And many cloud service providers offer regular system updates to ensure IT requirements are consistently met. They ensure the round clock maintenance of cloud servers, including security updates, freeing up time and money that business spend doing this in house. And when consider the environmental friendliness, for business with the CSR keen to maintain a small carbon footprint, cloud-based services are very environmental friendly, and using a paper use virtual environment for data storage and running web application mean less energy consumption as well, and carbon emissions in the workplace. Cloud computing also reduces the physical hardware needs, and which means less IT equipment is required in the office. uh, and that's all about these concepts. So let's move to the second task. Thank you.